Hello my dear few followers, this time I dismantle completely the motor that I showed in the quick and dirty cleaning videos. It was a Kyosho GX12. So as you can see, I have taken off all the elements. Let's try to begin the cleaning of the internal crankcase place, and I used oven to take off the crank bearing. As you can see, it is now black. Just before I put it in the oven, it was completely red, and as you can see, you have a kind of brown or red traces. It was where it should be placed. The oven was the only way to take it off. I tried the method to put it in the freezer, but it wasn't the good one. So I will cleaning and I will replace all the bearing. I don't know if you can see in the entrance for the carburettor there is still green, brown traces. I will try to clean that also, and after I will renew it and make it work soon. Bye.